Hi, Hussein here. Welcome to new apartment tour. Here is the living room with attached balcony. The built-up area of the apartment is 1500 square feet and it's a 3 BHK. This is the kitchen, ready for interior design. This is the bedroom one attached bathroom with modern fittings. And here is the bedroom one with attached balcony as well. Luxury design apartment with good ventilation and entire home is vitrified flooring. This is the living cum dining area and the second bedroom here. This bedroom doesn't have attached balcony or bathroom. And here you can see the common bathroom with modern fittings. So this is the third bedroom with balcony. This apartment has basic amenities of lift, power backup, car parking and the security room. Thank you for watching the beautiful apartment tour. For more details, check out the description area.